Hello everybody, my name is Jordan from Primary ICT Support. Today I'm going to be making another quick video tutorial. I'm going to be talking you through how to add a gallery to your pages within Primary CMS. So to start off, as always, what you'd like to do is sign into your Primary CMS dashboard with your login details. Once you've done that, you can either go ahead and find the page that you'd like to edit, or you can make a new one, which I'm going to do for testing purposes. To do that, you'll see the box in the bottom right, add a new page. And then you'll just type in the page name and the location of where you want the page. So now that I've made my page, I can see it on the list and I'm going to click the green pencil icon to edit. Once I'm on the edit page, I'll look again in the bottom right to see the add content box, and then you'll also notice photo gallery. Be sure to click that. So once I've clicked the photo gallery, I can add a gallery title, a description, and then the images. So for the title, you just like to fill that in with whatever you like. Again, the same with the description, just provide as much detail as possible. Okay, so I've entered a title and a description and I'm happy to include my images. What I'd like to do is click the select files button down at the bottom, then just select the files that you'd like from your computer directly. Once you've selected all the files you want, just click upload. You'll then notice that it automatically takes you back to the page where you've added the gallery. You'll see the images with the title and the description, so you know that it's successfully uploaded. And if you'd ever like to add more images to it in the near future, you can do so. Just click the green pencil up in the top right. Now this is also interesting because you can add captions to each image. You can rotate the image if it's not in the correct position, and you can also change the order of the images. But what's very important about this is that you can add more images up in the top right. This will bring you back over to the title, the description, and where you can add more images. And it's that simple. With those easy steps, you now have a gallery on your page. If you have any questions or any further issues, please do make a ticket and we will get back to you as quickly as possible. As always, thanks for watching.